Everyone, it's your girl Sierra. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and do something kind of exciting. I was going through, if you guys know, Bealls is like one of my favorite stores to shop at. I love Bealls and Ross, like those places. I'm there all the time. I was going through the Bealls aisle, and like after Christmas, like the New Year, they like restocked everything in there, you guys. So I went crazy with products. It's like different like face masks. They had like matcha tea masks, they had green tea masks, they had like lavender and cucumber masks. Like there's so much stuff and different like body things and like different like skincare and just like because Bealls has just so much random shit. So I was walking through the aisles and I found this right here, which I had to get because it piqued my interest and I thought we could make a video on it. So this is from the brand, I believe this is Irresistible Beauty. And what it is, which these kind of products I think are used like on Instagram videos, like charcoal powders you mix with water and things like that. I've only seen it around a couple of times, but when I saw it I was like, okay, I've never used anything like this, so I want to see what it does and even if it's like good at all. So basically this is supposed to detoxify the skin, remove glow remove dirt and impurities and restore your skin's glow. And this is basically like a detoxifying mask made with just charcoal powder. I don't know if there's any other, okay, there are other ingredients. Let's go ahead and do this. My skin right now, it's the time of the month, so I did break out here, here, and here. Isn't that just nice? As you guys know, if you guys watch me for a little while, I do have like textured skin. I have like redness and discoloration and lots of scars and like set like breakout areas, and just like my skin's a hot mess. I guess I should probably do like a stand still. Ooh. Ew, that looks like laundry detergent. You guys want to see that? And it's like blue and it smells soapy. So then I've got just this little thingy here and some water, and it says pour half a tablespoon of powder into your hand, add water, and mix until powder becomes a paste. Apply on the face and leave on for up to 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes, okay. Rinse thoroughly with water. Remember to spot treat first before applying to the entire face. I kind of want to know if this is detoxifying. Like these are closed. They're really red and irritated because they were really like itchy last night and I kept bumping them. Like this one I kept bumping with my glasses yesterday. So I just popped that one because I actually want to see if like this detoxifying will like dry out. Like, does that make sense? I think that'll be good for my entire face. And then it doesn't really say how much water, so this is like what I've got. I don't know if you guys can really see. Okay. I'm having some struggles here, you guys. Okay, so I loosened up the mix with some more water. It applies a little bit better, but it still is not like an even layer. This is very, I feel like this is more so kind of exfoliating. Because I don't know if you guys can see just like all the beads in here. So I think I'm only going to put like in the areas that I do like have acne and stuff, and hopefully it makes me like prettier. So now I'm going to leave this on for 5 minutes and then I will come back and we'll take it off and see if my skin looks the same or not.
2 hours later.
Alright, so it's been like 15 minutes now. This is what the mask is looking like. I did wait 15 minutes because I wanted to see if it does dry, and it is drying. Ooh, it's getting itchy, so I need to take it off. So I don't know what the whole 5 minutes thing is. Maybe you're not supposed to let it dry. I just thought that like charcoal mask dry down, so I let it sit for 15 minutes. And now basically the instructions are to wash it off your face with some water. And because obviously I'm doing this here, I'm just going to use a towel and some water and get this off. It would be ideal though to take this off over the sink or in the shower because it's chunky, so I'm gonna go do that. I'll be back. It'll take like 2 minutes. My skin, I feel like I'm not really noticing too much of a difference. I mean, it looks dewier. I don't know if you guys can tell, especially those areas that I put it on, so that's nice. But I think that with me having to take it off, like rinse it off, and it being so thick, as I said, I thought it was gonna be an exfoliating kind of thing just because it wasn't like smooth. You can tell like all the different like textures in here. I feel like having to rub that off actually just irritated my breakouts even more. Like they're really red now, and it opened up this one right here. I don't really like that. I don't really like that. I'll have to probably try it on a day that I don't have like any breakouts, and my like skin is just dull, because as I said, like it did give a good like radiance. If you like you can see my skin doesn't look like, it looks radiant, and it does feel a little bit firmer. It did kind of irritate those spots too much, more than I'd like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my skincare as I would, just to see like if it does anything. So normally I would just take my e.l.f. moisturizer and put this all over my face, and I'm gonna follow up with the Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum Eclat. This is a radiant serum. Okay, so overall, that mask, I'm not too sure that I like it right now, because it just made this so much more red and irritated, and this one too. Like just this entire area of my forehead is not very happy with me right now. But anyways, that's it for this video. Review, trial, demo of the Irresistible Beauty Powder to whatever charcoal face mask. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.